Passwords are like keys to the kingdom. But what if you didn't need the key, just its shadow? Welcome to the world of Kerberoasting, where attackers exploit authentication to steal service account passwords. Kerberoasting targets. Kerberos authentication in Active Directory environments. Here's how it works. Attackers identify service accounts using SPNs, service principal names. They request a Kerberos ticket for the service, capturing its encrypted hash. This hash is cracked offline, exposing the password, using tools like Hashcat. These service accounts often have elevated privileges, making them a goldmine for attackers. If an attacker cracks the Kerberos ticket, the password is obtained. Other systems can then be accessed with this cracked password. Security dashboards show these compromised accounts, if configured correctly. The company must then rely on network monitoring solutions to identify compromised areas. Defend against Kerberoasting with these steps. Number 1. Use strong passwords. Make service account passwords long and complex to resist cracking. Number 2. Rotate passwords. Frequently. Change them periodically to limit exposure. Number 3. Monitor for abnormal ticket requests. Tools like Splunk, a type of SIM, can flag unusual Kerberos activity. At DarkStone, we say, strengthen your defenses, one password at a time.